హాయ్ డియర్స్, మనతో పాటు యుక్తి గారు ఉన్నారు. సో కేజేక్యూ అని ఒక ఫిలింతో మనల్ని ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయడానికి వస్తున్నారు. హాయ్ యుక్తి.
హలో, బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నా, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్.
ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ టు ఆస్క్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ అబౌట్ డైరెక్టర్. హీ పాస్డ్ అవే యాక్చువల్లీ బిఫోర్ ద రిలీజ్. హూ వుడ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఫిలిం? డైరెక్టర్ ఆర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ or else casting agency
Choose for what?
for this film?
Of course, Kiran sir. I mean, it's Kiran sir's film.
sir.
I mean, it's KK sir's film, and the vision he had. This film he wrote 15 years ago, and now finally it's releasing in the cinemas. And though he has left the world, but he left us with this masterpiece, which is coming on August 7th.
You're the most successful actors in South India as of now. Marco, then K Ramp in Telugu. After this film, how you feel about this journey?
I think there's a lot more which I need to do, which I need to prove. But I would love to thank Telugu audience, uh, the whole audience which is supporting me at this point. And I would love to entertain more and more, and would love to do more and more Telugu films. Yes, and lot more to come.
Okay, actually, India's trending director Sandeep Reddy Vanga garu worked as an AD for KK garu, KD film. సో ఎలా ఉంది ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? అండ్ సందీప్ గారితో మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేశారు, ఏం చెప్తారు దాని గురించి?
Yeah, we just met him like few hours ago, and he was just telling me that it was his first ever film which he worked on, which was KD as an AD with KK sir. And he was actually a roommate of his for like 6-7 months. They used to live together in a same room, and it was lovely speaking to him. I think I would love to work with Sandeep Reddy Vanga one day, and because the way he shows emotions in such a grand way is just insane. The kind of music he has put, he's Telugu himself, and the kind of music he put it in Animal, because I'm Punjabi, so I know like the kind of rooted music he had put in Animal, which is commendable. And I would love to work with that kind of a director.
Manifesting. Okay, you're Punjabi, right? But you look like Telugu girl
Yes.
in some frames.
Yeah.
So anyone will tell this particular?
Yeah. నేను తెలుగు పిల్ల ఓన్లీ.
అవునా? ఓకే, తెలుగులో మా కోసం మాట్లాడండి ఒక 2 lines ఫర్ కేజే. సో కేజేక్యూకి మేము థియేటర్కి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? వాట్ వుడ్ యూ సే అబౌట్ కేజేక్యూ?
షుడ్ ఐ జస్ట్ సే మై డైలాగ్? మీరు హిట్లు చూసుండొచ్చు, ఎప్పుడైనా బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ చూసారా? నేనే. I said it in a very cute way. This was not Bhargavi, this was Yukti who said it.
In this film, you look like you were portrayed in 3-4 characters.
No, there are a lot of
Layers.
which are not even seen in the trailer. So there are more layers to Bhargavi. She's not just that which was shown in the trailer. There's a lot more to her.
Okay, who is Bhargavi అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు in కేజేక్యూ?
Bhargavi is actually a girl who society has kind of failed her, and ultimately she became what she became.
August 7th మల్టిపుల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ రిలీజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో అందులో మీ ఫిలిం ఒకటి. సో వై షుడ్ వి వాచ్ యువర్ కేజేక్యూ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Because it's not the regular Telugu film. It's a film which is proper cinema. And now that it's 2026, I think we need to see beyond characters, beyond 2-3 songs in the film, dancing, and a conventional hero-heroine film. And this is more than that. This is more than that. In this, the film is the hero, the script is the hero. And yes, KK sir has left us with a masterpiece.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, అండ్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఫర్ కేజేక్యూ.